You're going to get used to the map if you don't run out and explore it. Is it running?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to get it started like right away. I don't need no bullshit. I'm going to go right. You want to come with me?
Shit, yeah.
Alright.
How long is the...
Well, we go this way, and there's rooms in here. I don't know if you can go all... Yeah. We'll just jump in through there.
Okay.
And go from there.
Dead box is on the other side.
I won't need the dead box. Yes, sir. I'm gonna tighten up my helmet.
You're not going straight?
Dead box is over there.
Once we switch to Gammon and Boulder West, I'm gonna go through here.
They're starting on like the corner on the right side, on our right side.
Call out where you see most of them going, left or right.
If they come this way, I'm gonna light them down. If you hear my shots, then you know that they're...
We're gonna be hearing everybody's shots.
They're going straight.
Yeah. One down. Left side. Bullshit, I hit you. Go low, go low, go low. We got them all on the left side. I know I hit one guy like 10 times and he didn't call it. Your buddy doesn't know how to call his hits, dude. I shot him like 10 times in the face and he's just standing there. He's on this left side here. Left side. Behind the metal crate, behind the van, yeah. He's out. Cool. Right behind, right behind.
Switch side, switch side. Hold your flag. Do not that far, you'll be kicked off. I waited till you
put your hand up first, and then I...
Look the green boxes. I honestly thought that through the little hallway in the main hall just gets out.
I was over here by the burnt SUV. The guy right inside the doorway.
I'm gonna move up to the hand. I jumped in there. We both shot. We did bang bang
Huh?
at the same time.
Dito ako pinagana eh.
What? Again?
Yeah. Dude, I fucking tore this thing apart. I'm gonna have to rewire the whole thing.
Oh, really?
No grenades, understood? No, I'm thinking it.
No parlay, no grenades. Okay.
I'm still getting a feel for this map. We're not too
No
sure how
problem.
to rest it.
No problem.
Let's run pistol, dude.
Yeah, we're going to this.
Is this where we start? Is this where we start? Hey, you drop stuff then. Dumbass.
I had that issue earlier.
I'm gonna cut right through the middle here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up and left.
Okay.
I'm gonna try. I have to get close.
I'm gonna try and pull over here and get some cover fire on you guys. So you guys. Well, they got some guy right.
Okay. Working?
For now.
For now. Yeah, I'm just trying to get out. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through the middle and watch where everybody goes. I can see him all the way over here. See him? I'm gonna be on your right. Right side, right side! We got one close on the right.
Walk behind that white SUV, guys, right at the back of it.
Yeah, he got close. He's out, he's out. Nice shot, nice shot. Taylor on your right. Hit. Oh, that was confusing. Is it down again? Taylor, it's down again? Ah, fuck. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Watch going down this left side. You don't want to go down to the end. We've got a straight line shot over here.
Which way? To this. Oh shit. I got one right here on this other side. Woo! Watch yourself, watch yourself, watch yourself. Got one. He's out, he's out. Woo! Look. Careful, watch your right side, watch your right side.
Hey guys, watch on the right side.
Right behind you, right behind you.
There's a guy up top right.
I got him, I think. He's blind firing.
Yeah.
Ricochet.
Did you get these guys up here?
I got the one up top, I think. He's not shooting anymore. He was blind firing.
Oh,
I got one on the right here behind that crate behind the car. Watch yourself. Is he still up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a buddy on the left side over here. Oh, shit. Alright, he moved. Hit, 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 hit. Am I rolling?
Yes.
What does it look like? No, not that much. I just want to see. You guys gonna head all the way down that way?
I'm gonna get at least into the hospital and then go from there.
Yeah, I'm gonna head with you guys. Might as well. I think of being the guy who always stays behind.
He's about to blow that damn whistle.
At least this round I didn't exactly stay behind. I made like 3 pushes.
I'm gonna push the blue,
Alright, well, we'll be able to see you. I guess.
I'll probably push up a little bit further. T, where do you want to go?
I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna go right as far as I can.
You're gonna go
the
this way?
hospital.
On the
Yeah.
right side? Okay.
I might as well join.
I'll follow you. You're quicker with the
I'll be
pistol.
behind you guys. Or I could just go that way, right outside of the hospital. And light out some shots.
Up to you, man.
Yeah, I'll see how far I can push without getting shot. Funny thing, not many of us are being taken out. Like literally, there's only a few people in the dead box.
I think everybody's taking it easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you said don't walk out?
You don't walk out. Just like wait till the ref says you can. Wait in the very hard heat of the Racoon City. We're fighting zombies while killing we're killing each other because we don't like each other. My cousin let me a little Polestar just to prove it. Ready? I'll wait for you. The Gears of War 4.
Yeah.
Do they have guns on us?
It's not a... Yeah, that is us. Go, 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 go. Right behind you, right behind you, right behind you. Push, push, push.
Oh shit, found it.
Get behind me, get behind me, get behind me. I'm about to get out of here and push up. Right behind me. I'm gonna go to this guy right here. How are we looking on the right?
You're looking pretty clear. They haven't pushed up very far.
Okay. I don't see any of them actually.
I believe you have one guy in the black building.
Okay. He's on, yeah. He's on the right side, on the left, right behind you, right behind you, right behind you.
Oh shit, I think I'm getting hit. Oh no, it's a... Dude, that ricochet was fucking...
I know, I got a bad one earlier. Push. Got one. Charlie horse.
Still behind the white van? You want to push forward? I'll pause you.
I got one directly to the right of me behind this casket. Shit. This is not a good spot for me. I got one to the left of the van still. Come on.
Right behind you?
Ah, hit! That was fun, dude. That was fun. And then this guy too. That was fun, man.
That was intense.
Yeah. Holy shit.